Hello and welcome to Cooking with Tara. Today I'm going to teach you how to make beef enchiladas with my homemade enchilada sauce. Okay, we are warming a skillet with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use olive oil or you can use regular cooking oil, and we're going to warm the tortillas. Whoop. I think we have a ghost in the house. Okay, I just flip it, got it a little wet with the oil. Now it's nice and soft. And we're just gonna keep going until we do, I have about 10 to 12 tortillas here. Now in between each tortilla, I had to add a little bit more olive oil or cooking oil. Okay, this is the last one. I actually did 11. Hopefully they fit all in the glass pan that I have. Okay, now we're gonna stuff them. Okay, now we have 2 pounds of lean ground beef. You can use turkey also if you'd like, or you can use chicken. We're gonna chop it up a little bit, cook it, and then we're gonna add our onions. Now that it's chopped up a little bit, we're gonna add our 1 diced yellow onion. We are gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're just gonna mix it all together until the onion is soft and the meat is cooked. Okay, we're ready to stuff the tortillas. So we're gonna take our tortilla and we're going to put a little meat in there and a little bit of cheese. And we're gonna roll it and push it to the side. Oop. Okay, now we're just gonna fill the pan. Okay, it's time to preheat the oven to 400 and we're gonna bake for 30 minutes. Okay, so I managed to squeeze in 14 enchiladas in this deep dish pan. Now we're gonna add the enchilada sauce and cheese. Okay, now we're gonna add our enchilada sauce. This is my homemade recipe. It's so good. And we're just gonna put it over the top. Okay, now we have all of our enchilada sauce over the top. It's nicely spread out. Now we're gonna add our 4 cheese Mexican blend. It has Monterey Jack, cheddar, queso, quesadilla, and I don't even know how to say this one. Asadero cheeses. It's the bag I'm using, but you can shred your own if you'd like. Or you can just use Monterey Jack, Colby, or pretty much anything. Cheddar if you want. Okay, I have my 4 cheese Mexican blend, and we're gonna put it on top. I know I like a lot of cheese. I think everybody does. Yum. Okay, so I ran out of green onions because I usually put green onions on the top of my enchiladas, But I have a greenhouse in the backyard and I grow a lot of herbs, and here are my chives. So I'm just going to use my chives on top of the sliced olives. Okay, so now we're going to add our black olives sliced. Oops. And spread them out a little bit. So pretty. And my herbs from my garden. I love saying that. Just sprinkle some chives. I usually use green onions. It kind of just tastes better, that crunch when you bite into it. But chives are just as good, especially if they're fresh from your garden. Yum! Okay, I have a lot left over. All right, now we're just gonna cover and bake at 400 for 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. 430 minutes. Okay, well, it's all done now. I hope you enjoy enchiladas with my homemade enchilada sauce. Enjoy!